For the y-axis, remember we oriented it on the left and then also translate it margin in the x direction, in this case just a few pixels, and then 0 in the y, in this case touching the top of our chart. So in indigo here, we have the y-axis and the x-axis, which is margin over and height down from our coordinate space, which starts at 0, 0. Remember, however, that when we created our y-axis count scale, the range was height to margin. So even though we don't translate our y-axis SVG object any, it only extends to margin from the top. And before, when I drew the x-axis, it's translated 0 in the x direction. But again, if you scroll back to the timescale, you'll remember that the timescale range went from margin to width. So again, this starts not at 0, but margin pixels over. The call function that actually gets past the time axis and the count axis is a way to pass the axis object through the function call chain. However, understanding this JavaScript function and its nuances is beyond the scope of these videos, but I have left some resources in the instructor notes if you'd like to dig deeper.